The EMU, Electric Multiple Unit, Electric Train SGR Standard Gauge Railway in Tanzania is a part of Ambition Infrastructure project designed to modernize and expand Tanzania railway system, improve the regional connectivity and enhance economic growth. Standard Gauge Railway SGR is a modern railway network being developed across the East African. The project aims to replace the order of meter gauge lines, providing faster and reliable and efficient transport. The SGR line in Tanzania is a part of East African railway network connecting the country with the neighboring countries such as Kenya and Uganda, and providing more efficient transport routes for goods and passengers. The Tanzania SGR project is being constructed in a phase, with the phase 1 is focusing on the section from Dar es Salaam to Morogoro, and subsequent phase extended to Dodoma, Tabora and Mwanza, finally reaching Kigali in Rwanda. The EMU electric train is a type of train powered by electricity, offering high-speed travel for the passengers. In case of Tanzania's SGR EMU train will be providing clean, efficient and fast services. EMU train use electricity rather than diesel, making them more environmentally friendly with the lower carbon emissions and better fuel efficiency. These trains are designed for high-speed operations capable of reaching speed up to 120 to 160 km per hour, making them much faster than traditional diesel-powered trains. EMU trains are designed with modern, spacious and air-conditioned carriage to provide more comfortable travel experience for the passengers. EMU trains typically have higher passengers capacity, allowing them to accommodate larger number of people, which is important for the urban areas like Dar es Salaam. They are suitable for urban commuter system as well as distance services, providing an energy efficient and reliable form of transport. The EMU electric train will be a critical component of Tanzanian SGR, offering both intercity and commuters railway services. It will be significant shifts in the transportation from traditional diesel train to modern electric powered system. Tanzania has been building the required infrastructure to support the electric train, including high voltage power lines, substations and transformers. New modern stations are being built along the SGR route to accommodate a higher speed electric train. These stations will have modern facilities including waiting areas, restroom, ticketing and customer service facilities. Phase 1, Dar es Salaam to Morogoro. This section is the starting point of SGR project and includes the implementation of EMU electric train. The initial phase is designed to be rest bed for the electric train system and connect key urban areas along the coast. Phase 2, Morogoro to Dodoma. This section continues to railway lines inland with the electric train plan to operating on this sketch as well. The future phase, subsequent phase will be connected the inland town, reaching further in Tanzania and potentially linking the SGR network to neighboring countries such as Rwanda and Uganda. Do you know the benefit of this EMU electric train SGR projects? Electric trains are expected to significantly cut travel time between major cities in Tanzania, reducing the journey from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma and other destinations. Improved railway transport will be facilitated for the movement of goods and people, boosting trades, tourism and overall economic development. The use of electric-powered train is more sustainable with the reduced pollution compared to diesel-powered train. The construction and operation of SGR and electric train system will be create thousands of jobs in construction, operations and maintenance. The modern SGR train along the upgraded track and infrastructures are designed to be much safer than the old railway system. The SGR project in Tanzania is being developed with the support from various international partners. The Tanzania government has been working with the countries like China, Kenya, and fund the SGR construction. Chinese companies, notably China Railway Engineering Corporation, CREC, and China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation, CCECC, are involved in the construction of railway lines. The SGR will continue to expand across Tanzania with the future plans to integrate with the neighboring countries' railway networks. This is expected to enhance regional integrations and economic cooperation in East Africa. The full integrations of electric train into Tanzania's railway network will be a major milestone for the country's infrastructure development, providing a modern, sustainable, and high-speed transport options. The EMU electric train SGR in Tanzania is a transformative infrastructure project that aims to revolutionize transportation in the country and the wider East African region. The electric train components will provide a cleaner, faster, and more efficient transportation for both passengers and freighters, supporting economic development and regional connectivity. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and give your thought at different point of view according to what you see. Don't forget it. Let's keep showing the innovation and development for all aspects. We'll keep pushing and show you every single area in Tanzania how beautiful it is for real. My name is Mlindwa Amada. Thank you.